I'm running late. Hey guys, it's Aidette. I'm gonna go get Botox for the first time. Oh my gosh, I am literally so freaking late. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Okay, let's go. Sorry for the chaos. Sorry for the chaotic start. I just also know there's gonna be traffic, so I'm literally freaking out. Be right back. I'm here. I'm at LAFEMMEMEDSPA and I am just so nervous. Like, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before. I honestly do not have crazy lines. You guys can see that it's like creasing just a little bit. It's very, very minor. The point is I'm trying to get baby Botox. Baby Botox is just a silly little way of saying that you're just doing like a little bit of units, so that way you can prevent these lines from getting deeper and you can just have like a smooth. I'm constantly making like dramatic faces, like, or like also I do want to get these filled right here. I'm probably gonna do that later on. I've done it once like a long time ago and it didn't even work. I don't know, maybe I just got injected wrong because I feel like whenever I talk you can see my smile lines a lot. I'm also gonna ask them to do like my 11s right here. These are pretty deep. You guys are probably gonna say like you're dramatic. They do not look deep, but my dad actually has these pretty deep and we just like naturally when we're looking at something we're just kind of like, it just runs in my dad's side of the family. I did hear from like a nurse before that they recommend when you do the 11s and like Botox up here that they recommend you do like a little brow lift, and I don't know, I'm kind of scared to do the brow lift, but like I might ask him to do just a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna be doing master Botox, which is going to help with the slimming of my face. My face used to be like more like this because I always chomp down really hard. I use my jaw a lot because I'm like, when I chew, I like chew like this. So I just have a bad habit of that, and also I'm always chewing gum, like always. I'm no longer gonna be a Botox virgin. Oh my gosh, guys. Hi. I'm sorry.
So frown like you're really upset. And then raise your eyebrows like you're super surprised. Wink from your right, wink from your left. Okay, I see movement there. Have your eyebrows raised a little bit.
Yeah. That is triple content filming right now.
A few moments later.
After Botox snack, could I do the bacon ranch fries? And then I'll do the 6-pack of jalapeno poppers. That's it. Bruh, I haven't had wiener schnitzel. Baby's about to be so happy. Mama. My love. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty cute. Your peaches. Look at your arm. By the way, I call her my Stinky. Like every animal that I have, I call them Stinky. Like Stinky to me is just like my way of saying like my cutie pie, like my cutie pie type of thing. Did you miss me? Oh my goodness, my mama. Thank you for waiting. Guys, I need to get her a new bed, but I'm waiting till I move because I move in a couple months. But look, she likes to chew on the edges. I don't know why, but you look so cute. Go get it. She loves her watermelon. I leave the little back legs open on her PJs because it's too big on her because it was her brother's. What are you doing? You're so funny. Mama, I got food. Now you're stuck. Now you're stuck. Oh, she's so smart. Good job. You got your watermelon? Okay, so this is what my face is looking after all the Botox. So I got some up here in my scalp. She told me that she recommends that because she knows that I do get like very, very painful migraines. Migraines run in my mom's family. And then also we did masseters here and here. We did about 43 units, I think she said, or something like that. This side was stronger, and it's because I chew on this side the most. And then we did some on the crow's feet. We did some like right here to give like a little brow lift. We did some in the center and then some on the forehead. Yeah, so that's the vibe, y'all. I look like a crazy mess because I didn't do my hair. I washed it last night. Hi, baby. Look at her. I thought she was about to go pee, but she's just sitting there looking. They said no being on my phone like down here. It has to be up here. And I have to lay on my back today. No makeup, no working out, 24 hours, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm gonna go eat my Wiener Schnitzel. My baby. Hi, baby. My baby's watching me eat. I am gonna give her a fry, a plain fry, of course. So probably like those. These are the bacon ranch fries. Oh my gosh, I haven't had Wiener Schnitzel in so long. And I feel like I haven't had like fast food like this in so long because I am no longer supporting McDonald's for reasons. And I got these jalapeno poppers. Oh my goodness. And I'm about to watch Coraline. A quick bite. Jalapeno popper.
Tomorrow.
It is the next day, my angels. I can't lie, it was so hard to sleep last night because one of the things that they have for advice is that they're like, you have to sleep on your back and you have to like stay on your back because basically if you sleep on your side, if you sleep on your face, the Botox can move. And like, I'm a very paranoid person, so like if somebody tells me like this can happen to you, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, you know, like I started freaking out. So they said basically that if you get Botox and then like you bend over after like the before the 4 hours, that's recommended that you don't like nap or anything. I actually did take a nap, not like at 6 hours though, but I literally was sleeping up like this. Like I had a bunch of like pillows and plushies have me propped up like this, so it was like recovering from like a boob job all over again. It was terrible. But yeah, I had to sleep like this the whole night. And there was one point where I went like this for like maybe like a few minutes and I was like, oh my gosh, I like remembered in my sleep. So I had to sleep back on my back again. They basically said that the Botox can move and it can like go down to your eyes where it can like cause some type of like, basically as if you got Botox in your eyes. And I was like, no thank you. I will give you guys updates in the next few days because I mean I do post on my vlog channel on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so it'll most likely be an update on there. So my vlog channel is always down below. It's Keeping Up with Aidette, and I post on here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. 5 times a week, girl. So I also have some exciting stuff coming up. Like I said, I will update you guys in the next few videos on my vlog channel, so I will see you guys there. A huge thank you to LaFemmeMedSpa. You guys always take care of me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.